Hi, it's Randy Mill from Arm Wraps. This is day 7 on the boat. So what we did was hit the cabinetry here, the walls underneath and everything, hit the body, hit that part right here, and also that part right there, so it's all continuous. You can see right there. And hit the walls, this wall, door trim, both sides, and then tomorrow I'm going to keep on moving down, hitting those doors, and I get this wall. I got to do those 2 walls over there real quick, the small ones. But that is day 7, and so far it's looking great. And we're doing good on time too, so. All right, if you have any comments or questions, comment down below and email me at rmwraps@gmail.com. Phone number 208-696-1180. And also, I'll show you something real quick. I'm gonna change it out tomorrow. I'm wearing the heck out of this thing right here. This is my Squeegee. This is the Classy. And you can see I'm just rubbing the heck out of it. Doing this right here, and doing the sides like right here, going all the way down. So it's a perfectly 1/8 inch right here, it's overlapping. So if you're looking for something architectural finishes, definitely try these things out. This is like my first stage right here. You can see there's only 1 cut line. Usually I have 2 cut lines, and the old one, this is the old style. But yeah, definitely worth it. So stay tuned. Got more to show you.